Rabbits, known for their gentle demeanor and floppy ears, are small mammals belonging to the Leporidae family. These herbivores are found worldwide in various habitats, including forests, grasslands, and urban areas. Renowned for their prolific breeding, rabbits have a strong maternal instinct and live in underground burrows. They are essential prey for many predators, which has led to their keen senses of sight, hearing, and speed. Beyond their role in ecosystems, rabbits are also popular as pets and have a special place in folklore and culture, symbolizing innocence and fertility.